Hey up, okay, we're back in for part 2. This has been sitting here now for, well, while I've had lunch, which is probably over an hour. I've been shaking my can again. This I've been keeping indoors in the warm of the kitchen. So it's in pretty good shape. Done my shaking for a couple of minutes. Now, what I'm going to do, this is dry, which is great. You can see the silver along this edge, which is perfect. I need to turn this over, and I need to put it so that when I paint it, it will continue that great work. There's going to be a bit of a job getting on that end, actually. So I may do that first. That's from above. Let's just do a squirt over there. There we go. So I've just done that end so that end is captured, because it's going to be hard to do that otherwise. I'm going to pop this on here, and then as I did last time, I'm just going to work my way from one end to the other in a nice steady stroke. Just wondering if I can get it so you can see all of it. There we go. There it is. Tricky. There we go. Nice steady stroke from one end to the other. I really want to spray my piece of oak. Let's put that in there. At 25 centimetres, about a can distance, wasn't it? So, there we go. Ooh. Yeah, that was interesting. It's quite a vigorous can, this one. Just going to move it to there so that try and allow it to be off that edge a bit. There we go. Now it hasn't taken along this edge, so I'm going to do that. Could do it the other way. Now, it said on here do light coats and leave at least 15 minutes between them. And what you're really seeing here is that the painting bit is about 1% of the process. The waiting between the coats is the really important bit. The preparation is also really important. That's where we need to allow the time to prepare it properly, time to allow it to dry properly between coats, and then some, cleaning up time if it's needed, and finishing and then polishing out afterwards as well. So I'm just going to turn this upside down and see if I can clear the nozzle. I'm going to put this back indoors, and I think I'll give it another coat once it's dried. So another 15 minutes. That'll be part 3. Part 2's over. Thanks for watching.